This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, June 1st, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. You can see a system moving into the Pacific Northwest, a disturbance moving through the Great Lakes, and another over the Mid-South region. But around here it's fairly quiet and sunny today, with highs mainly in the upper 60s to middle 70s across the area. You'll see most of the precipitation will be across the East Coast, the South and East, and across the Pacific Northwest and into the very high plain states as well. As we go into Tuesday, system over the plains could produce some precipitation in Nebraska, the Dakotas. That may squeak into our far northwestern counties late in the day tomorrow, but it should remain mainly dry for the rest of the state, with highs mainly in the upper 60s to upper 70s across the state, and we may see some 80s from midweek on. However, we're also going to see chances of showers and thunderstorms increase as well. Here, Wednesday, best chances will be across the western half of the state. So on to Thursday, still looks like western Iowa could see the best chance of seeing any precipitation, although we can't rule it out most anywhere. In between these dry periods, we could see some sunshine. That could boost the temperatures up maybe to around 80 or so. Otherwise, 70s will be more common around the area. As we go in toward Friday, it looks like still better chances of showers and storms around, with highs mainly in the 70s to lower 80s, depending on the amount of sunshine we may get. Saturday, it looks a little bit better, especially in our western counties. It might be a bit drier than our eastern counties. Still, chances of showers and thunderstorms are possible at any time, although there will be dry periods as well. And even into Sunday, there's still a slight chance at best of some showers and thunderstorms, although better chances look to be off to our east across the Ohio River Valley, Great Lakes, down into the south and east again. So, looking into next Monday, you see there's that disturbance off to our east now. Bit of a flat ridge just to our south and west, another disturbance moving through the Great Salt Lake region. And that might be a system we have to watch next week, but looking at the surface map, you can see system off to our east producing showers and thunderstorms there. System off to our west producing some high elevation showers and storms, especially with some orographic lifting, but it looks to be fairly calm around here by next Monday. We'll see. Then going into the extended period around the 12th of June, you can see a ridge developing over the high plains, the Rockies, up into Montana, in between two troughs, one in the northeast Pacific and one over the Great Lakes and northeast. We have a northwesterly flow. That means we'll have systems coming down. It's also going to keep the temperatures down a little bit, a couple degrees below average for that. Looks like for a couple of days toward the middle of the month. This would show a frontal system coming in with some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder or two. The end of the period on the 16th, now we've gone zonal, pretty much west to east at this point. Disturbance moving through the western Great Lakes. Another off the east coast with that disturbance over the Great Lakes. That'll be producing a storm system that could bring us some showers and storms that will be exiting the region at this point, with pretty much dry weather from here westward. So we don't see anything heat wave related, but we see some decent temperatures. Satellite image from last evening, we had some showers and storms in New England, a couple of clouds with some showers in the middle Mississippi River Valley, complex of storms in the high plains, and a couple of clouds with a few showers and storms out in the northern Rockies and into the Pacific Northwest. The watch morning map from last evening, frost and freeze advisory still in the upper Great Lakes region, some flood issues across New England. Some flood issues continue over Oklahoma, Arkansas, down into Texas, and some wind issues out in the Sierras and the Central Valley of California, where they're still not going to receive much rain. So this is precipitation for the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. Quite a bit across the East Coast, 2 to 3 plus inches. Around here, maybe an inch or so in the west to a couple of tenths out east.